Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best healthy drinks for weight loss that are not only delicious but also effective in helping you shed those extra pounds. These drinks are easy to prepare and packed with essential nutrients to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss journey. So, if you're looking for natural and refreshing ways to achieve your weight loss goals, then stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's dive in. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified every time we upload new and informative content. Now, let's get started with the 5 best healthy drinks for weight loss. 1. Green tea. The first drink on our list is the ever-popular green tea. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, and it's an excellent choice for those trying to shed extra pounds. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps in boosting your metabolism, which aids in burning calories more efficiently. Additionally, it contains catechins that can help break down fat, making it effective in reducing belly fat. To prepare green tea, simply steep a green tea bag in hot water for a few minutes, strain, and enjoy. 2. Lemon water. Next up, we have the simple yet powerful lemon water. Drinking warm lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning can do wonders for your weight loss journey. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which support your immune system and help flush out toxins from your body. The citric acid in lemons also aids in better digestion and can reduce bloating. To prepare lemon water, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. 3. Apple cider vinegar drink. Moving on to the third drink, we have the apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries for its health benefits, including weight loss. It helps in reducing appetite and increases feelings of fullness, making you eat fewer calories throughout the day. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar also slows down the rate at which your body absorbs sugar, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels. To prepare this drink, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and add a little honey for taste. 4. Vegetable juice. Now, let's talk about the vegetable juice. Freshly made vegetable juice is a nutrient powerhouse and can be an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. Vegetables like spinach, cucumber, celery, and carrots are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Drinking vegetable juice can keep you full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating unhealthy snacks. Blend your favorite combination of vegetables, and enjoy a glass of this nutritious drink. 5. Coconut water. Okay, let's talk about coconut water. Coconut water is a natural and refreshing drink that not only keeps you hydrated but also aids in weight loss. It contains electrolytes that can boost your metabolism and increase your energy levels, making it an excellent choice for those following a weight loss regimen. Replace sugary drinks with coconut water, and you'll notice a positive change in your health and well-being. And there you have it, the 5 best healthy drinks for weight loss. These drinks can be a great addition to your weight loss journey, but remember that they work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments which drink you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.